Kadang Fila Sayakulu. But this time around, you use the simplest name, sweetie. Near what to any baby. Yes, sir. Been passing via. Okay. Okay, sweetie. Pacha de Jumana, yeah.
Pacho, me excavator operator.
Pacha, why just send the microphone? Good. By now, also going to be behind. That's good for me. Okay. Also, where day?
Me excavator operator.
Excavator operator.
Pacho.
Currently, when the company be na yechuma.
Pacho, me David Water Company Limited.
David Water.
Pacho.
Okay, more current contract be amoye ho adwuma.
Pacho ane. Pacho, ye Ghana Railway. Ewa kasi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Olam, where Olam.
Yeah.
Beside Olam. Ewa ye adwuma sisi.
Wow. Ure mo di mfie saying.
Pacho, me real mo de my case roughly a year now. A year ni.
Afi mu eni.
Pacho ane.
Before then, how you doing?
Before then me did Aramada Adidas.
I love that. Genuine. Who did you know what that?
And I'm to invest in her program, USC program. Na me kura kwala ketwa.
Oti ye no. Here be mo.
Pacho say.
Here be mo, afi be mo na wote.
Pacho last year na me say.
Last year.
2023.
Okay.
And I'm say.
To be precise, now we're here for now as usual what did you done out here?
Na me sorry.
Okay.
Wedding fire prayer ministry. Ewo and I'm program no. Ti program no. Na sofo no ya me nhira no.
Amen.
Sofo asanwa bebi a wo bia ya me nhira.
Amen.
And I say o do kura kwala.
Angel.
Me hope say obeko. Me say me ampo meko.
Okay.
Ti yedidi mu na eko orientation. Eko orientation that's true van with the kid.
Okonya na okita
baby. Na me kura baby no. O come no ha. That time na kwa no 1 year. That fin 1 year 2 years.
Wow.
Na me kura baby no. Me ne na koi anopa ewie nwumre. O come ho. Mama ma be mu amuda. Edu baby na sika sem na be ye den. But Otumfo Foundation so boa me pa.
Wow.
They help me with my TNT. Se na be ya. Me rain field Otumfo Foundation da.
Angel.
Se na be ya nyoma no. Se mba betime sua ade ni yi because akwala ka ho na why wadwen se obe free ampa you aba KTI de bia na enafo. But nyame
Sokoban
ampa you. E wona mete. Nyame ene Otumfo Foundation. E boa me. E ma metimi duru be bia meduru sese. Te say ka excavator operator dia me suiti me kan ho bi.
Wow.
Pachane.
Oti a year announcement from Osofo and wodi WUSC invest in her jumadi no one dance at the acha one no. Woji tu se obeye no. Pacho na woni be manete ho that time.
Mpachane na me ne be manete ho.
To bona mane.
Me bona mane na wondintum.
Se obeko.
Wondintum be oba be se akosia mema adwuma na se woni me akọ competition.
Oh.
Yeah.
No so ye de adwuma.
No so maka say oye trader.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
no on prefer into yineni and my man abofra no say you cannot do it.
Okay.
And I decided to prove him wrong.
That's good.
And through proving him wrong no na bibia mu mabem. Make obi timi hwe dressing crowd say who's a carpenter new. Obi timi hwe dress oba 10 grams say na umpe adwuma papa bi nge na caterpillar on the excavator that it caterpillar.
No cry.
Caterpillar na okwa. Oh. But still na yo me obibi. E o menim say me pese me.
City, so let's see what call for the audition. Our WUSC scholarship anymore. You screening you were fortunate. Emma, you pick you among the people and enjoy the scholarship. Yes, sir. Afe na atosa obe started the training.
Yes.
Sabre na also bana 1 year. Na oda sonum no for.
No da sonum no for intimidate no go school mo.
Enti uhun sa afe de obe chance ye akofo training no e na wen row bana odni to school.
Me no koi.
Wona na
ekọ school no.
O ko training no KTI
ya. Yeah.
Now the baby ne ko.
Yeah, and KTI people that KTI teachers no so mo boa me. Because no muso akola ni mo mame.
Okay.
Me o mumu. Omo boa me pa. Say do baby na e be share practicals ase no. E won na e be tough time mame.
Okay.
Because now o ko machine one na kwa mpesa wono so. O ko obi. I say no, the right thing is I should look for a school for her. Secondly, me fa secondly matter. And say no, I saw in the boy me.
Madne two school.
And I'm doing two school. Say on je na uncle school. To make sure say me pon school, me pon adwuma, me fast. I go to school. Me do feel na 7:38. But mama social media influence me. Because we were just saying me ba me be TikTok kakra, me adebeti na untimi nko. Me she school asinto me ntu mu da. We my friend dance. They be me be school. Because now me determination be said I want to do something with my hands. We oba na me we na me say we oba na uni nsa na dwuma sabi. Edu baby you are more or less like a useless.
What's me mobo?
Now ko che was much rewan. Wa mu nya adwuma. Because we adwuma dey on him side of it on your one sa. Who are we the one sa na eko. Ba wu nya adwuma. Tisa wusk TVET program na wusk program na aboa me papa de bia meka because na excavator me friend caterpillar and time me excavator kura me suru me am me so about me suru but through invest in her TVET where them 5 prime ministry Otumfa foundation KTI eboa me ema me ti me ko wie ti me wie as see machine no wa metu machine na ye adwuma kama
sweetie.
Yes.
Okay, you're been recording business here quickly into digital team no monya crowd on farmer. But before then, mame osofuni din bi what's your friend is saying?
Your friend no Richard Asamoah.
Is he Reverend? Is he evangelist? Evangelist or?
Oh yeah, Reverend Evangelist Reverend Richard Asamoah.
Okay.
He's an evangelist.
Evangelist.
Yeah.
Richard Asamoah.
Mbachane.
And now so indeed the same.
Word and Fire Prayer Ministry.
Word and Fire
Prayer Ministry.
Is it Evangelist Richard Pra or
no? We are Samoa. Wood Village.
Oh, okay.
Wood Village.
Wood Village.
Mbachane.
Word and Fire.
Word and Fire. Asemono. Eye uja. Prayer Ministry.
Ewo hefa.
Ewo Wood Village. Sokoban
Wood Village.
Bola Junction so.
Bola Junction so Evangelist Richard Asamoah. Okay, so the digital temunya krado emabe in the next few minutes we'll do a short recording. But before then, nti na wa for hefa na wabusua ewo he. Wo se be ma na ne to hone de when na so fu di ade no dance chair wo no. Wo do obo ne die ma no. You went back home to tell him said what in here. Wo so pesa wo take it in. But obu abam so
obu mabem wono woni machine mani eni so kaka. But obu mabem say wo yes adwuma na emwa because we a lady. Emwa that's what he said. But me catch and say me a lady. What you can do, I can do it more. So I want to do.
You want to try and do it.
Oh, say there be that. And it say who say me sending a video me to Excavator. Now I shall say love the program I'm doing. That's how it came.
I feel any beje.
Nothing any beje. So wa I know track kwa ha. No mommy.
Ono so ma
said about
nchene kakaka.
I want to remember su.
Yeah.
Na o ma tips kakra fani say we ni say abeboa we ni say. Let me say well beginning no make kind of boy me but all the same you are human na me dey wie
wabusa for ehunu de wuye
omuwe beginning them I didn't tell them because my mom said me ma me awo me catch no o catch me said and ka dey na me fan go pentika on say money be pentika prayers no I'm saying no I'm not interested. I'm not interested. It's either Excavator or that dump truck or that my friend says or Saka fuel car tanker is in Bino.
Okay.
That's what I want. If I do not get
any
I'll be
them
in the house. And then I pay. Let me just give it a try. See no njindi. Me kono me nyai na kwala no krampo so. Onya kwala no krampo o say obetima gen for some time. Na massage ma me no.
Nyem de ma de be ko.
Me de ma de be ko. o ye bibia nso na wo determination na o de Yakobon so kan wa say be succeed.
City, I'll come back for you again.
Okay.
Remember near Sia to us so. Before two to maybe another bar or another refi. For two things some bar maybe so say. Growing up in school, you can't hear beside and you know you know by your dinner. At that time now they hold it. Don't say it and I'll come back. I'll come back again. And then when I come we'll pick it up from there. So that's a sweetie. Ete aye ne excavator no emu. Nti city videos ni bi na etwagu enso so ewo ho no quickly some my and the construction or say on no eye adwuma no David Water so
Company Limited.
Okay, David Water Company Limited ye besan so ba hobi oni aba bedi nkomo nti I wanted to try and mention the name again, but once maybe panini had me refi Kadafila.
Yeah. Sayakulu.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, it sounds good, yeah. 80 city and yene no ekasa no mpacho it's all about investing here. You see dua bibi ewo ba but this time around yes da wo so be kan when ye dua ewo baba no wo fa se ba wo hwe emu no aye ensan no twuma entity ye. Pacho we ne sama ye beboa ye papa and it will even help you yourself so that be a financial burden no to be na akodi one side no e betimi awe kakra na balancing ama eniema so etimi akonka ma no aye but City me boss so there's another one I ask you. Keep all these things for me. When your first salary. Why enjoy your first salary? Yeah. And so you tell me how it was. What's in fear? What your first salary? No, not at a saying. I'm sure when I come back, you'll be able to tell me.
Enjoy.
Where you invest in Angela from 96.1